All right, you ready to try the AirGlide Pro? This is
I am.
your new curling iron. So you can get rid of the traditional curling iron.
Okay.
We're gonna turn it on. The default is gonna be right at 360 temperature.
Okay.
And what you're hearing is cool air coming out of there. So the cool air is gonna set your hair.
Right.
It's gonna shine your hair and really lock in the style. All right, and what's great about this is not hot. I mean, it's warm, but you won't burn yourself, correct? So you can take like a 1 inch by 2 inch section.
Okay.
I have it on 360, the default setting, which is perfect for your hair. Open up your plates, put the whole section in, go to the root, and then you can just come around and slowly do your curl.
So you don't have to like hold it there for a while.
No, you don't.
Okay.
And that's the best part. Less damage on your hair.
Right. Right.
Lots of
Especially
shine.
for my white hair. That's a good thing. I'm just gonna open it up and grab a section, right? And then close
Perfect.
it.
You got it. And then
And
just
do I
style it.
hold this for a bit?
No, you just style, glides right through. You feel it gliding right through.
Yep.
Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Super easy, right?
Yeah, it is very easy.
Lots of lift.
Absolutely, and that's what I like. I like to have the lift up top. I think it's just better for me. Try one more piece on this side.
And just spin it like you were curling it. Yep, and keep spinning all the way through for a curl so the ends curl too.
Okay, let's see how I did.
Voila.
Very good. I like this.
And you know what's really nice? Like you can direct it any way you want to go. So like these bangs, if I just want to kind of direct them over, I can do that. We can flip or flick. So like I like to just do this kind of softer wave there. Yeah, I can flick this up. I know you like it real textured. So we can start to flick those as well. So you can, I'm going to give it to you so you can just play and do some fun things with it.
Okay. Well, let's see what I can do on the side here.
Yeah, we can make a perfect little flick.
Yeah.
There you go.
Came out good. And then the bottom, I always like to do down here.
Nice.
Yeah, I like that. I love this. It's great.
You
I
did
really
great.
do. I think it's awesome.
How do you think this is different than a traditional curling iron? I know you don't like traditional curling
Yeah,
iron so much.
I don't because I don't know. They just aren't me. They just feel too dated, I guess. And this is kind of, I can flick this. I can piece it out. I can, I like it. I like it a lot.
Good
Really
job.
cute. Thank you. Thank you.